Oh, come on. Really? All these dirty dishes. I gotta get everything cleaned up. Oh, God. What the? Wait, who's that? Oh, hey.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Nothing. I just woke up. Jockey.
Oh, well, I'm gonna be cooking. I'm not really gonna be cooking anything today.
That actually moved. Oh.
Okay. First of all, what do you want? Anyways, what are you doing up in the kitchen so late? Early in the morning. And how come Jesse was there? Is there like a big thing going to be happening?
What do you mean?
Like, is anything big happening?
No.
How's things with you and Jesse? What? Not good, I guess, huh?
Nope.
Hey, dude, oh my God. You don't just hurt someone like that.
Well, she just hurt me.
So? Like, you don't have to always kill each other. Get off.
Okay.
Separate ways, separate. You guys need to start getting back together.
I don't like.
2 minutes later. Two minutes later. Again, for some reason. So it was 4 minutes. Oh, when's your phone here on your stupid floor again? Is that Woody and Jesse? You're kissing. Hey guys,
Ah.
you guys are back together?
Yeah. Privacy.
Oi.
We should go inside.
We just throw like a big surprise wedding. Hey Mickey. Mickey. Kevin. Justin or anyone.
Oh, hi.
Is Kevin or Justin home?
No. I think Kevin's home. I think he's sleeping still.
I'm gonna wake up.
He usually sleeps in random places. So.
Where is he? Kevin!
Kevin.
Where is he?
Kevin, are you under the bed? Oh, again, no. Maybe he's in the closet. Nope.
There's Mickey's son.
Hey.
Wait a minute. That's not Mickey's son. Who the heck are you?
I'm Mickey's brother.
Oh, God. Get out.
I think I actually. I know where Kevin is. He's in here somewhere. Nope. Not in here.
Alright, well, I'll go look upstairs. So, yeah, what are you guys gonna do now?
Get back together, of course.
Yeah, well, I mean, besides that.
I don't know.
This is my agenda.
Yeah, yours, so take it or leave it.
I don't want it. Guys, the balloon's pink. Like more.
Pass.
Hey, pass it over here, Woody.
Okay, there. So.
Woody, pass it over
We
here.
have to go on like a date. Me and Jesse are going on a date.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, baby.
Oh, you don't have to leave me here. I'm going upstairs.
She's like, it's a blue again. And I said,
Man, it's hot outside.
Okay, let's just finish it.
What are you guys doing? Can you get some... Guys, what are you doing?
We're finishing it.
Finishing what?
You see a gun up to my head.
Why are you finishing your relationship?
You see a gun up to my head. What do you think?
You just scared yourself. Woody, don't. If you do this, you'll never be inside a single BM movie ever again.
I know, because I'm dying.
Oh.
Bye.
You're dead. Wait a minute, they're breathing. Woody! Nice try. And Jesse. Nice try too. Nice try.
Hey, look over there. It's a yard sale. Hey, Peggy.
Yeah.
Look over there. It's a yard sale.
Where?
Look over there.
Isn't that what you're saying? Oh man. Oh man. So I'm just gonna stay inside these three. Have a nice date.
Leave us alone.
Show your face like